Okay, drop number 15. This one is kind of insane.
In this video,
Are you ready, Lucas?
we are taking durability to new heights with a 20-meter drop test of the AGM H6.
3, 2, 1, let's drop.
But first, let's dive into the why behind the extreme challenge. This viral video by Apple Track unveiled the questionable durability of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, garnering over 1 million views and stirring a storm in the tech world. So we thought, why not put our AGM H6 to the same test? Here is our contender, brand new AGM H6, rugged and ready to take on the challenge.
So the first drop is gonna be around knee high, and let's say 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's all good. Check on the corners. This is good. Cannot be broken. Okay. Second drop is around wrist high. Let's try it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Check corners. Third drop is gonna be around like shoulder high. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Any obvious damage? Any scratch? Is there any scratch on the side or
Nothing.
like in the frame?
No, there is nothing.
Up, and the first one gonna be around the near height. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Drop number 5 is back face to the ground, and is waist high drop. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Sounds cracked.
Actually, no scratch.
No scratch.
I thought it was broken, but no.
Okay.
As good as new.
Drop number 6 is around shoulder high and back face to the ground. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
No, no scratch.
There's a scratch on this
Here?
side. Yes, it is, right?
Not big deal. The screen is not broken. Camera is not broken.
I think like iPhone started broken at this height. Drop number 7 is it's around 2 meter here, and it's back face to the ground. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
That was a face drop. Front face.
No scratch.
No problem.
Drop number 8, and it's a near high drop, face to the ground. 3, 2, 1, go.
Nothing. Perfect.
The corners. Nothing, like literally nothing.
Yeah.
Drop number 9 is around waist high, face to the ground. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Still nothing.
There's no screen protector, right?
No screen protector.
Drop number 10, and it's face to the ground. 3, 2, 1, go. What's on the right corner?
Still no scratch. Just a little bit here.
Drop number 11 is above height and face to the ground. 3, 2, 1, drop. job number 12. So we are on the bench. So we're gonna drive from the highest point. It's gonna be around 2.5 to 3 meters and back face to the ground. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Check the back. There's a back face to the ground.
Yes.
Good job number 13 is around 4 meter high.
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. There's a little bit scratch here. The screen didn't broke. There's some scratch on the edge. Some scratch here. Nothing too crazy about. Yeah, there's some stuff here too. Okay, other stuff is all good. It's a little bit cracked here. Is it 8 meters?
I think it's more 6 or 7.
6 or 7 plus yourself.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, that says 6 or 7 meters. Okay, drop test number 14. Yeah, it's 14. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah. I think it survives. Let's put it in the sunlight. Yeah. The corner is a bit damaged, but the phone survives. It's a laying horizontal though. It's not something crazy. Is it open? No, it's open. We survived, baby.
Before we head to our final drop, we are curious what wild durability test our community can come up with. So please share your most creative durability test ideas and we will make videos for each one. We also prepare some Christmas gift for you guys, so please leave your ideas in the comment section.
Okay, drop number 15. This one is kind of insane. Are you ready, Lucas? Three, 2, 1, let's drop. This is gonna be fun. Yes, it didn't survive. It didn't survive. Whatever.
Do not try it home. It's so broken.